Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to recreate this makeup look of Sara Ali Khan. It's her signature makeup look and I'm a big fan of such kind of everyday wearable makeup looks. So to see how I recreated this look, don't forget to watch the video till the end. And also don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I will give the link in the description as well as on the screen. You can find the Instagram handle on the screen as well. So first of all, I am going to moisturize my lips by using Vaseline Petroleum Jelly. You can either use this or you can apply any kind of lip balm. After this, I will spray this plum green tea revitalizing face mist. I really love this face mist and I always spray it on my face before starting off with makeup. Now to moisturize my face, I'm going to use this face cream by Good Vibes. It's Saffron Nourishing Day Cream and I really love this face cream. If you have seen my Good Vibes haul and my Good Vibes review video, then you know that how much I love this face cream and you can see how much I have used this. If you haven't seen my haul and my review, I will give the link in the I button. Please check it. After this, I'm going to start with a face makeup and I'm using this face primer from Lakme. It's Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Face Primer and it is a really amazing face primer. It really blurs out your pores and gives a very smooth canvas for your base makeup. Now as my base product, I'm going to use this Pond's BB cream all over my face and my neck area. I will dot it all over my face and my neck and then I will use a buffing brush to blend it into my skin. I wanted to keep my base makeup very simple and light. That's why I'm going with a BB cream and not with any kind of foundation. I'm using the same BB cream on my eyelid area and my under eye area to hide the little bit darkness which I have. I'm also skipping the concealer here. I'm just using this BB cream for my full face makeup. Now to set the whole base makeup, I'm going to use this powder foundation from Lakme 9 to 5 range. It's primer plus matte powder foundation in the shade 01 Ivory Creme. I'm using this all over my face and I'm especially concentrating on my eyelid and my inner eye area. After this, I'm coming towards my eyebrows and first of all I'm going to brush my eyebrow hair in one direction with the help of this spoolie and then I will use an eyebrow pencil to fill the gaps of my eyebrows. If you are a beginner in eyebrow filling or makeup, then I won't recommend you this eyebrow pencil from Lakme because as you can see it's very dark and very creamy and you have to be very careful while filling it, and if you are just learning how to fill your eyebrows then this product is not meant for you. You can buy from other brands such as Wet n Wild and Sugar Cosmetics or Faces Canada, but I have this eyebrow pencil so I want to use it completely. Instead I won't recommend it at all. So here you can see the difference between both the eyebrows. And now I'm going to use this face palette from Sugar and I'm taking this bronzer shade and I'm going to create a crease line on my eyes because I've seen Sara Ali Khan's eyes and it seems that she has little bit of brown eyeshadow on her crease line. Since I have hooded eyes, so I'm using this brown shade to create the crease line and I will blend it all over my crease line and also towards the outer corner of my eyes. For my eyes, I'm going to use this Kajal pencil from Color Bar, and with this I will line my lower lash line as well as my upper lash line. I will line my lower lash line thickly, and later on I will smudge it with black eyeshadow, because if you will see Sara Ali Khan's picture carefully, you will get to know that she has applied a smudged kind of kajal on her lower lash line. Now I'm taking this black shade from Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette on this angular brush, and I will start smudging my lower lash line with a very light strokes. Make sure that you are using lighter hands while smudging your lower lash line, otherwise you will harm your eye. After smudging the kajal on my lower lash line, I'm going to take the black eyeshadow little bit more on the same angular brush, and I will apply it on my upper lash line in a smudging motion. I will repeat the same step on my other eye as well, because I wanted to get a smudged kind of liner and smudged kind of kajal look on my eyes. Now from this face palette from Sugar Cosmetics, I'm taking this highlighter shade, and I'm going to highlight my eyebrow bone as well as my inner eye corner. Now I will take this blusher shade from same Sugar palette, and I will apply very little bit of blusher on my cheeks just to get a flush of colors. I'm skipping contouring here because when I saw Sarah's pic, I couldn't find any kind of contouring on her face. So I'm just going to apply blusher and highlighter on my face, and I am going to skip the contouring step. Now it's time for the step which I always forget to do. I'm going to apply mascara on my eyelashes, and the mascara which I'm using is from Maybelline. It's Hypercurl mascara, and it's the washable version. Now it's time for lipstick, and the lipstick which I'm using is from Faces Canada Weightless Matte Finish Lipstick in the shade Subtle Mauve, and number is 10. It is quite similar to what Sara Ali Khan is wearing in her pictures. I always find it very difficult to match the lipstick because it's very difficult. How many lipstick will you collect in your vanity? It's kind of impossible thing to do, at least it's for me. So it's very difficult to match the lipsticks. I always struggle in doing so, but thankfully this lipsticks, it's quite similar to what Sara Ali Khan has applied in her pictures. After the makeup is done, I'm going to wear my earrings, which is quite similar to what Sara Ali Khan is wearing in the pictures, and I will leave my hair open. I have natural wavy hair, as you can see in the video, and yes, I love my earring. This is one of my favorite earrings. And now it's time for the final touch. I will apply a black bindi, which Sara Ali Khan has also applied in the picture. So yes, this is the final look, guys. Please let me know in the comment box whether you like this recreation or not. If you do so, then don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to share my videos with your friends and family. And if you haven't subscribed till now, then please subscribe to my channel. It means a lot. And if you have any suggestion or any demand, then let me know in the comment box. I will definitely try to work upon it. And don't forget to follow me on my Instagram. And today is Valentine's Day, so a very very happy Valentine's Day to all of you. Bye bye. Take care. Love you all. Bye.